login చేయండి. లాగిన్ చేయండి. గో టు మీటింగ్ అంటే లింక్ అదే. ఓకే. Sangi, are you able to see my desktop now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. And in last class session, we have discussed about the cloud computing and the
Yes,
classification of cloud computing features.
yes,
And when coming to the cloud computing, we have so many vendors are there. Like we have discussed about the various vendors like Amazon. We have discussed about the Microsoft. We have discussed about
Microsoft.
the
Yeah,
Google, Salesforce,
yeah,
Alibaba, GoDaddy, like that. So many vendors are there who are offering these cloud computing services. So
yes,
now here
yes.
we will go with the recap, and then we will continue with our next features in that Salesforce. So when coming to the cloud computing is going to be providing the various approaches by which we can able to access the various IT services over the internet without using any installations, by using any device. So now when coming to the cloud computing,
Feroz, is that disturbance from your side?
mm, okay, now is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. I don't know if anybody needs to mute their session, so I'm hearing noise in the background.
So everybody
Okay.
is able to hear my voice clearly?
Yeah, I'm going to mute myself too.
Okay. Now, when coming to the cloud computing provides an approach of accessing the various IT services over the internet without installing anything in our local device, by using any over the internet, by using the any device, by using the browser and the internet connection. So now when coming to the cloud computing provides the various classification of services like the SaaS service, like software as a service, where whenever we are going to be accessing the various softwares, nothing but the existing applications over the internet on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. So nothing but here we are going to be accessing those applications over the internet by using any device. So now when coming to the cloud computing provides simply an approach of pay-per-use concept. Nothing but whatever the data or whatever the applications that you have utilized, based on your utilizations, you have to pay the respective amount to that particular vendor. So now when coming to the cloud computing, we have these services are there. Like we have the SaaS service, nothing but software as a service, where whatever the ready-made applications are there, whatever the existing products are available, if these are suitable to our requirement, then we are going to be utilizing those applications on rental basis. Nothing but as a service, we are going to be utilizing those applications. Whenever if you are accessing those services, nothing but the existing softwares or the applications on rental basis, then it is called as the software as a service. And then when coming to the cloud computing, it is providing one more approach, that is not only accessing the existing software on rental basis, whatever the new applications that you are going to develop, those applications also we are going to, those softwares also we are going to be taking on rental basis. So at that time, if you want to develop your own custom application, then we need a platform. When coming to the platform provides the development environment. Like if you want to develop a new application, then whatever the programming languages, whatever the technology, or whatever the databases are required in order to develop your own custom application, So those softwares we are going to be taking on rental basis instead of purchasing those softwares by investing some amount to purchase those licenses. And after developing our own custom applications, if we want to install those applications into a particular server, then we need some infrastructure. Nothing but a server is required where we can able to install that particular application. So that server should be having a very high configuration, because this server we are going to be installing in our application, so that whatever the application that we have installed, that application has to be accessible by our customers, our end users, our business partners, our employees, everybody can able to access those applications. So at that time, the server in which we have installed our application, that server has to be provide the more memory space, so that we can able to store some terabytes of information, and then it should have the more processor speed, so that it can provide the faster performance. It should have the required security softwares in order to protect our data also. So for that here, we need a high configuration server, or we need a high configuration system in which we can able to install that developed application. So that instead of purchasing that infrastructure, by investing our amount, we can able to take that infrastructure also on rental basis. So whenever you are accessing those infrastructures on rental basis, at that time this is called as infrastructure as a service. Nothing but infrastructure also we are going to be accessing or utilizing as a service. Nothing but on rental basis we are utilizing those services.
Mm-hmm.
And when coming to the cloud computing, we have so many vendors are available, like who are providing these kind of services. Suppose for example, we have the mobile network, like whenever if you are purchasing a mobile, then through that mobile I want to make some calls and I want to receive some calls. So for that
Mm-hmm.
we need some mobile network. So now when coming to the mobile network, so many vendors available in the market, like some Vodafone, Airtel, AT&T, Uninar, Aircel, like that we have so many vendors available who are offering that mobile network services to their customers. So without that mobile network, we cannot able to make the calls, we cannot able to receive the calls from our various persons. So that here, when coming to this particular mobile network, so many vendors are there. Like the same way, when coming to the cloud computing also, we are having so many services are there. Then who are offering these services? When coming to the cloud computing, we are expecting basically three services. One is SaaS service, software as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. So now who are offering these three services to our customers? When coming to the vendors, we have so many vendors are there in the market who are offering these cloud computing services on rental basis. So now in those vendors, we have the vendors like Amazon, we have Microsoft, we have Google, we have Salesforce, we have Alibaba, and we have GoDaddy, like that. So many vendors available in the market. So now, when coming to the vendor, so it may be n number of vendors are available who are offering these cloud computing services to the various customers, but there is no specific restriction. There is no mandatory rule that each vendor has to provide the same services to their customers. So for that here, each vendor can able to provide a different set of service. Like some vendors can provide only the software as a service features, or some vendors will provide both SaaS and PaaS, nothing but platform also. Some vendor can provide SaaS, PaaS, and the infrastructure. All the services they can able to provide. So now when coming to these vendors, so many vendors are available in the. From those vendors, we have the Amazon. Amazon is one of the vendor who are offering these cloud computing services to their customers. When coming to the Amazon, Amazon is offering only one platform service that is called as EC2. So now EC2 is nothing but this is Elastic Compute Cloud. So now, when coming to the Elastic Compute Cloud, this is a platform. Platform is nothing but a development environment by which we can able to develop our own custom applications. So now, when coming to this platform, through this platform, we can able to develop only e-commerce based applications, like as some online shopping applications or some shopping cart application, like that. These kind of applications only we can able to develop. By using this platform provided by the Amazon, we cannot able to develop the other kinds of applications like banking, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, chemical, engineering, education. These kind of applications we cannot able to implement. Only e-commerce applications can be implemented with the help of this EC2 platform. When coming to the Microsoft, Microsoft also has released a platform called as Windows Azure. So now by using this Windows Azure also we can able to develop some kind of application but which cannot be able to install in our local system because the platform which offered by the Microsoft that will not be available in our local system so that we cannot able to install this Windows Azure applications in our local system because this will not be supported by our system. So that here we need some infrastructure but that infrastructure is not offering by the Microsoft as of now. In future, Microsoft may be providing some more features like in terms of the platform also. And when coming to the Google, the third vendor is Google. Google is also offering the cloud computing services to us. Like they are offering all the three services, like SaaS service, platform service, and the infrastructure service. All these three services they are offering right now. In terms of SaaS, they are offering one application called as Gmail application. Everybody is aware of this Gmail application. Gmail application generally we are using for our personal usage to send some emails, to receive some emails. So now when coming to the Gmail, Gmail is a 100% cloud-based application which is providing some email services to you so that we can able to send, you can able to receive some emails. Only for the purpose of emails we can able to use this Gmail application. But this Gmail application is utilizing by the various people. He may be a business person, he may be a student, he may be the housewives, he may be a professional. Everybody is going to be using this Gmail application for their personal uses, not for the professional purpose. Like when coming to the software organizations, we are using some different kinds of softwares in order to send some emails, to receive some emails. Like we are using some applications or softwares like Microsoft Outlook, which is used to send and receiving the emails. And then IBM is also providing one more software that is called as IBM Lotus Notes. By using that IBM Lotus Notes, we can able to send some emails, we can able to receive some emails also. And then when coming to the Gmail application, this Gmail application cannot be accessible within the bank. Nothing but bank people cannot use this Gmail application inside the bank. It may be in the finance organization also. It may be in the manufacturing organization also. It may be in the healthcare organization also. But only this Gmail application is only for the personal usage. And then when coming to the Google, Google is offering a platform called as application engine. So now by using this
Sir,
application, hello,
hello.
yeah,
I have a doubt.
yeah,
Actually, you have that Gmail is 100% cloud application.
yes.
Then what about this Yahoo Mail or AOL Mail? What about that?
So when coming to the Yahoo Mail or when coming to that particular like another email services the which that we have, so now those will not be comes under the 100% cloud-based applications. Those are only the web applications only. That is not cloud-based applications. Because when coming to the cloud-based applications, we are expecting a ready-made features which can be automatically get upgraded, and after that we are going to be expecting some more features like whatever the new features they are going to be providing, those new features they have to be provided on free of cost. And after that when coming to these applications, whatever the data that we have stored in that particular application or whatever the data that we have received through that application, those applications has to protect our data which cannot be accessible by the other persons also. And now after that whenever if you want to get that information, then it is very easy to it will be very easy to, we can able to download that information. That much of flexible features that we are expecting in that application. But when coming to the Rediff mail or the Yahoo mail, those are not providing this much of flexible features to us. So for that here, those applications will not be comes under 100% cloud-based applications, but this Gmail application is comes under the 100% cloud-based application. Okay.
Okay.
Next. So when coming to the Google is offering a platform also. Like platform in the sense like a development environment by which we can able to develop some new applications. It may be banking, it may be finance, it may be insurance, whatever the application you want, you can able to build. So at that time, we need the platform. Google is offering a platform called as Application Engine. Application Engine is a platform offered by the Google, but by using this application engine, we can able to develop only mobile-based applications. Like when coming to the mobiles, most of the mobiles are running on the Android platform. This Android platform is developed by the Google people. So that when coming to the Google, in terms of platform, they are more concentrating onto the mobile application development from where they can able to generate more revenue. So for that, Google is offering a platform called as Application Engine, which is purely targeted for the mobile application development. So they are not concentrating on the web-based applications. So now, when coming to the Google, they are offering the infrastructure also, not only developing those applications, we can able to install those applications. But in the Google is offering an infrastructure called as Google Drive. So everybody is aware of this Google Drive, like where for each and every user, Google is going to providing 1 GB of memory space in the drive. In that 1 GB of memory space, you can able to store your associated application, your related applications are, you can store your documents, you can upload some photos, you can upload some files, you can upload some images, you can upload some audio files, you can upload some video files, but we cannot able to install any application in the Google Drive because Google Drive will be like as a simply a collaboration portal where we can able to place some documents and we can able to share that document to the various persons. But we cannot able to install any application in the Google Drive. So that is one of the drawback when coming to the Google cloud computing features. So now when coming to the vendors, not only this Google, we have one more vendor is also available, that is Salesforce. So now when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is one of the vendor for the cloud computing services. So now when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce.com is an organization who has provided the various cloud computing services to their customers. When coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is offering the three services for their customers. One is SaaS service, nothing but Salesforce software as a service. In terms of software as a service, they are offering one application called as Salesforce CRM application. So now here, the most of the people can raise a question: what is this Salesforce? What is this Salesforce CRM? When coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce.com is an organization who has provided one ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM application, so which contains the pre-built CRM functionality. Nothing but here, this Salesforce CRM is a ready-made application developed by the Salesforce.com organization, which contains some CRM functionality, nothing but customer relationship management functionality. So what we can do with this customer relationship management functionality by using this customer relationship, nothing but here we are having customers, we are having some relationship management, nothing but customers are there for each and every business, and then we are going to be maintaining the proper relationship with our customers. Now through this Salesforce CRM application, we can able to maintain or we can able to build a proper relationship with our customers. Those customers may be the existing customer who are utilizing my product already, or those customers may be the new customers also, because every year or every 6 months we are going to be releasing some new products into the market. So at that time, we are going to be capturing some new customers also. The customer may be a new customer who is going to be purchasing my new product, or the customer may be an existing one who is already utilizing my product. It may be anybody. If we want to manage those customers' details, then we are using this customer relationship management applications. So now, when coming to the customer relationship management, who are all the organization peoples can use this Salesforce CRM application? This Salesforce CRM application is not targeted for any of the organization. This is common for all the organization. Like it may be this CRM application can be utilized by banking people, the insurance people, or the finance people, or the healthcare, or the chemical, or the education, or the engineering or the manufacturing or whatever the industries available in the market. Everybody can able to utilize this CRM application. Nothing but the Salesforce CRM application is not targeted for any of the industry. It is common for all the industries, all the organizations, so that any of the organizations who are having their customers there, we can able to use this Salesforce CRM application. So now, when coming to the Salesforce CRM application, which is a on-demand CRM application. Now you can know what is this on-demand. So basically, when coming to the applications, we have two types of applications. One is on-premise, second one is on-demand. On-premise in the sense, the applications has to be installed in our local system. Nothing but that should be exist in our local premises. In our premises, it may be in our local system, or it may be in our local organization, or it may be in our local network, so that whenever you are going to be accessing some application services over the internet by using a client tool, nothing but a small exe file that we are installing in our local. Suppose, for example, now to connect to this meeting, you have installed a small tool provided by the GoToMeeting. So nothing but by using the small tool only, we can able to connect to the GoToMeeting in order to access someone's desktop, in order to make some calls, in order to receive some calls, to join the meeting. Like the same way, whenever if you want to access some applications features, at that time, if it requires to install a small tool in our local system, then this kind of applications are called as on-premise applications. Nothing but it requires to install a small tool or a exe file in our local system in order to access those services. But in sometimes I am unable to install those softwares in our local devices. So at that time, we are going to be using the on-demand applications. On-demand applications can be accessible from anywhere at any point of time. No need to install anything in our local. Simply it requires a browser and the internet connection. So now without installing anything in our local system, we can able to directly access those services. So these kind of services are called as on-demand services. When coming to the Salesforce, no need to install anything in our local system. Just we need the browser and the internet connection in order to access the services provided by the Salesforce. So that when coming to the Salesforce, whatever the features offered by the Salesforce, all those features are on-demand features only. There is no concept of on-premise in Salesforce. Clear?
Yeah.
Sangeet, do you have any questions?
No questions.
Okay.
Yeah, this we covered like last time, so I went through the notes.
Okay. Now, when coming to the Salesforce is not only Salesforce CRM, Salesforce is offering a platform also. Like by using the Salesforce, we can able to develop our own custom applications also. So what are the platforms offered by the Salesforce? Salesforce is offering a platform called as force.com platform. The name of this platform is force.com platform. So now when coming to the force.com platform, this is an on-demand platform, nothing but no need to install anything. Suppose for example, if you want to develop a .NET based application, then .NET software has to be installed in our local system. Or if you want to develop an application by using some Java programming, then Java software has to be installed. Then only we can able to utilize those software and we can able to develop those applications. So now in this kind of scenario, when coming to the platform provided by the Salesforce, no need to install anything in our local because this is a cloud computing feature, so that this platform is also resides in the cloud, nothing but in the internet. So that here directly we can able to access that platform over the internet by using any device with an internet connection and the browser, so that whenever you are writing some code in order to develop those applications, that code also we are writing in the browser itself. No need to install anything in our local system. Everything will be exist in the cloud itself. Now by using this force.com platform, now what we can do with the force.com platform, by using this force.com platform, whatever the Salesforce CRM functionality is provided by the Salesforce, in that CRM application, if you want to add any new features, or if you want to modify the existing features, then we can use this Salesforce.com platform. Nothing but we are going to be customizing the existing Salesforce CRM application. So now, not only customizing the existing Salesforce CRM application, by using this platform, we can able to develop our own custom applications also. So not only customizing the existing one, we can able to develop our own custom application also. So now what kind of custom applications we can able to develop by using this platform? We can develop any kind of applications. It may be banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, engineering, any kind of applications. Whatever the applications we want, those kind of applications we can develop with the help of the platform provided by the Salesforce. So now, when coming to the Force.com platform provides the two programming languages. One is Apex, second one is Visual Force. Because to develop the new custom application, we need some programming languages, we need some technologies. So now when coming to the platform, nothing but the Force.com, it provides two programming languages. One is Apex. So now when coming to the Apex, Apex is purely in object-oriented programming, like as our C++ and then Java and the C Sharp. Like that, Apex is also purely in object-oriented programming. Now where by using this Apex programming language, we are going to be building the custom business logic. Whatever the functionality that we are going to implement, those custom functionalities we can implement with the help of this Apex programming. And the second one is we have a tag-based programming language called as Visual Force. By using this Visual Force programming language, we can able to develop our graphical user interfaces. Nothing but the screens we can able to design. The view, nothing but the presentation layer we can able to design with the help of this Force.com platform. And when coming to the Force.com platform is going to be supporting the ORM technology. ORM in the sense object relationship and the mapping functionality. So now we are no need to implement much code. 70% of the code is ready-made available provided by the Salesforce, and the remaining 30% of the code we have to implement. Because of the platform provided by the Salesforce, like the ORM technology, it is providing the ready-made features to you more, so that the developer's job is reduced, and then we can develop the applications very fastly, and then we can able to deliver the application within very short span of time. When coming to the client's perspective, the budget is also get reduced. Nothing but cost of this application development is also get reduced for the customers. Nothing but both the people will be get benefited. The customer also will be get benefited, as well as the developer also will be get benefited. So how the developer will be get benefited? Because Salesforce is providing so many ready-made features. Nothing but no need to develop these features by the developer, so that developer can able to implement only limited functionality. Nothing but the code which we are writing to develop our custom application is very, very minimal. Nothing but minimal number of lines of code we are writing. Most of the code is ready-made available in the Salesforce, so that developer is getting more advantage here. When coming to the client's perspective, here to develop this application, the time will be very, very minimal, nothing but because most of the features are ready-made available, so that no need to develop each and every feature from the scratch, so that development time will be reduced, development will be very faster, so that if the time is reduced, then automatically the budget or the cost of the application development is also get reduced. Nothing but client is also get benefited, and the developer is also get benefited because of this platform provided by the Salesforce. And along with that, after developing this particular application, we can able to install this application into a machine, nothing but into a system. So now for that, Salesforce is providing the infrastructure also. Nothing but Salesforce is providing an infrastructure called as infrastructure as a server service, where they have provided some servers. Nothing but some ready-made servers are available provided by the Salesforce. In that server, they will be allocating some amount of space for you, so that whatever the application that you have developed, those applications we can able to install into that memory location reserved in the Salesforce server side. So that here, when coming to the Google Drive, in the Google Drive for each user, they are allocating 1 GB of space. Like the same way, when coming to the Salesforce server also, they are allocating some space to us. In that space, we can able to store your applications. You can deploy your application. You can install your applications. You can store your applications data. You can store your customers data. You can store your sales data. Anything, whatever you want, we can able to store into that particular Salesforce server. And one more the difference between the Google Drive and this particular Salesforce infrastructure is in the Google Drive, if the Google Drive server has been crashed, then at that time our data will be get lost. There is no option to get back that information back. But when coming to the Salesforce, so now Salesforce is going to be maintaining some disaster recovery centers where through those disaster recovery centers, okay, through those disaster recovery centers, we can able to restore that information back. So now, due to some environmental problem or due to any of the problem, so if the server is get crashed, then also we can able to restore that information back. Nothing but even a bit of data cannot be get lost in the Salesforce server. So not that much of ready-made security features are available when coming to the Salesforce infrastructure. So now that's what here when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is providing the more beneficial features to us. That's what here most of the customers, most of the clients are going to be interested for utilizing these Salesforce services. So now here when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is offering all these three services to you. Like it is offering the SaaS service, nothing but existing softwares they are providing to you on rental basis. And along with that, they are providing the platform also by which we can able to develop our own custom applications and the infrastructure also where we can able to install our developed applications. Okay. Clear? Any queries as of
Clear.
now?
No.
Okay. Srinivas, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we will see some more features. So now when coming to the Salesforce. So now when coming to the Salesforce, today we will discuss about some more features here. As of now, we have discussed about what is Salesforce, what is cloud computing, what is the relation of Salesforce with the cloud computing we have discussed. Like, so now when coming to the cloud computing provides an approach of accessing each and every IT service over the internet. While utilizing that over the internet, no need to install anything and by directly by using any device we can able to access those services.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, whenever you are accessing those services, so many vendors are offering those services. From those vendors, Salesforce is also one of the vendor. Okay. Nothing but the main concept is cloud computing and the cloud computing categories and then the Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the vendor who is offering the cloud computing services on rental basis to their customers. Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
when coming to the Salesforce, what kind of services the Salesforce is offering to their customers? Now we will see. When coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is offering the various clouds. Okay, Salesforce is offering the various clouds for their customers. So, what are the various cloud features offered by the Salesforce to their customers? Now we will see. When coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce is offering the 6 clouds to their customers. One is Sales Cloud, second one Service Cloud, third one Force.com, fourth one Database.com, fifth one Data.com, and the sixth one Collaboration Cloud. And this is also called as Chat. When coming to the data.com, this is also called as Jigsaw. Okay, Jigsaw. So now these are the 6 clouds offered by the Salesforce. So now we will discuss about each and every cloud feature offered by the Salesforce. What is this Sales Cloud? What is this Service Cloud? What is host.com? What is database.com? What is data.com? What is collaboration cloud? Now we will see each and every feature in detail. So now when coming to the Sales Cloud, so now every organization will be having their own sales process. Because here, suppose for example, let's take an organization. Now assume that this is the Dell organization is there. When coming to the Dell organization, they are into some manufacturing process. They are into the manufacturing process. So now what kind of products they are manufacturing? They are manufacturing some hardware products. So what kind of hardware products they are manufacturing? They are manufacturing some laptops, they are manufacturing some desktops, and they are manufacturing some printers, they are manufacturing some scanners, they are manufacturing some mobiles, they are manufacturing some like tabs, the various accessories. Okay, they're manufacturing the various hardware components. So now after manufacturing that, so nothing but here after manufacturing these products, now the products are ready. They have tested those products. The products are working fine. So that here after manufacturing those products, what they will do, they have to sell out these products into the market. So now in this kind of scenario, whenever they continue doing the sales of their products, then they have to do the various processes. So what is the processes they have to follow? When coming to the each and every organization, we will be having the three processes are there. The first one is marketing, and the second one sales, and the third one is service or support. Okay, service or support. So these are the three processes or the three these are the three departments will be there in each and every organization. First of all, they have to do the marketing, they have to do the sales, they have to do the service or support. So now we will discuss about what is this marketing, what is this sales, what is this service or support. Now we will see one by one. So now here we are going to be discussing about this marketing, sales, and the service processes here. What is this now? Now we will see. So now when coming to the marketing here. So what do you mean by marketing? What we can do with the marketing here? Anybody? What we can do with the marketing?
Introducing the product.
Okay.
Giving information about the product to people,
Okay.
like ads.
Okay.
Um,
When coming to the marketing, the fundamental aim of the marketing process is promoting our products. Okay, to promoting our products, nothing but promoting in the sense we are going to be giving the information about our products to the various people. We are giving the information about the new features available in our products to the various people. We are giving the information about our organization to the various people. We are giving the information about the services what we are offering to our customers to the various people. We are giving the information about the various benefits that we are offering to our customers to the people. So nothing but when coming to the marketing, what we are doing in the marketing in each and every organization, in each and every business, we will be having the marketing process, sales process, and the service or support process will be there. So now when coming to the marketing, the main fundamental aim of this marketing is promoting our products. Nothing but what are the products that we have manufactured, what are the new features that we have introduced in our products we are aware of. But the people don't know about the products. How my product will be look like, what is the design of my product, what is the model of my product, what is the price of my product, what are the features available in my product, what kind of services I'm offering, what kind of benefits I'm offering. They don't know all these things. So that here we are going to be doing the marketing in order to promoting our products. So that here what I want to do is I want to do some marketing process. For the marketing process we have some marketing people will be there, nothing but some marketing executives. So now these marketing executives will be aware of the various approaches by which we can able to promote our products to the various people. So now when coming to the marketing executives, they are using the various approaches. Okay, we are using the various approaches to promote our products. Okay, they are using the various approaches to promote our products. So now when coming to the marketing, what are the ways are there to do the marketing? What are the various ways are there to do the marketing? When coming to the marketing, we have so many ways are there, like we can able to conduct some
Advertising,
campaigns, and then
Media marketing.
okay,
ads, advertising, media
okay,
through media.
conducting some stalls. Third one, we can able to go for the TV advertisements, and then
And
theater advertisements.
Pamphlets,
Okay, and then trade shows, and then pamphlets,
pamphlets,
and we have banners, and we have hoardings, and then any more thing, email marketing,
mail,
telemarketing, digital marketing, and then free samples. Like so many ways are there in order to do the marketing. Like if we want to promote our products, then not only one way, we have multiple ways are there. Like we can able to conduct some campaigns, we can able to conduct some stalls, we can able to go with the TV advertisements, theater advertisements, trade shows, pamphlets, banners, hoardings, email marketing, telemarketing, digital marketing, free samples. Like that, so many ways are there to do the marketing of our products. So now, whenever you are going to be conducting some campaign, whenever you are conducting some stalls, we cannot able to conduct the stalls in all the areas, in all the places, in all the country, because it will take more time. It will be very costly also. So now in this kind of scenario, instead of conducting the stalls in all the places, we can go with the stalls or the campaigns with some selected areas where we will be having the huge crowd where we can able to capture the more people. And then the remaining areas we can able to cover by using the different ways of advertising, nothing but the marketing. So that here, when coming to the marketing, so many ways are available, like campaigns, stalls, TV advertisements, theater advertisements, trade shows, like that. So many ways are there by which we can able to do the marketing of our products. So now here, when coming to the marketing, what we are doing here is now we will see. Suppose, for example, let's take the same scenario, like as a Dell. When coming to the Dell organization, they are into the manufacturing process. They are into the manufacturing process. They have manufactured the various laptops and the desktops and everything. So now they are ready with the products. Like they have manufactured the hardware products, like laptops, desktops, printers, etc. So now they are ready with the products. So now here they want to do the marketing for their products in order to promote the products. So now here when coming to the Dell organization, they are conducting a campaign. Okay, they are conducting a campaign. When coming to the campaign, what it contains, This will be like as a small tent. They are going to be placing a small stall. Okay. So now when coming to the stall, they are placing all the products. So now they are going to be making a small tent beside the road. So now in that particular tent or in that particular stall, they will place all the new products which they are releasing into the market as a display purpose. So nothing but here, the people has to know. Suppose for example, I want to purchase a mobile. Whenever if you want to purchase a mobile, so now without looking into that model and without looking into the features, without looking into the how it is going to be looking like, directly will you purchase the mobile? No, right? So because first of all, we want to check how the mobile will be looking like, whether it is comfortable for me or not. So now how the design will be, and then what are the features are available? What is the price of that mobile? So what will be support provided by that organization? Everything I want to do some R&D, nothing but I would like to do some work around that particular mobile features, and then if it is comfortable for me, if it is within my budget, then only I can able to purchase that mobile. Like the same way here, the people has to know how the product will be looking like. So now when coming to the Dell organization, they have come up with some new products also. Now each and every product will be having their own design. Each and every product will be having its own features will be there. So now in this kind of scenario, the people won't purchase the product without seeing those features, without seeing the model and all these things, so that they are making a small stall beside the road. In that stall, they are going to be placing all the new products what they are releasing into the market for the display purpose. So now whenever they are conducting a stall or whenever they are conducting a campaign, they are selecting a crowded area. So because here through this campaign, I want to capture more customers or the more persons who showed interested to buy my products. Nothing but while conducting this campaign, we are conducting the campaign in a crowded area. Capture more customers. So now here, whenever we are going to be conducting a campaign, we are selecting an area where we can able to find out or we can able to capture more customers. Nothing but more number of people can visit our stall in order to see the products, in order to get the information about those products. So now here, when coming to the campaign, whenever we are making a stall in beside the road, so now so many people are passing through that area. He may be a student, he may be a business person, he may be a professional, he may be a housewife, anybody. So now whatever the products releasing by the Dell organization, those products can be utilized by the students, that can be utilized by a people like a professional, those products can be utilized by the housewife, those products can be utilized by the business persons and everybody. Because mobile will be utilizing all the people. It's not specific to your professional. It's not specific to the student. This is common for all the people. So that here, when coming to the Dell, they are going to be capturing the more customers in a single shot, so that they are going to be selecting a crowded area in order to conduct the campaign. So now, whenever you have observed a new stall beside the road, generally as a human being thinking that I want to know what's going on in that stall, why they have conducted this stall here. So now yesterday I went through this area, but I didn't find this stall. Today we have this stall is available, which is conducted by the Dell organization. What they are doing in the stall, and what is going on in this stall, I want to know. So for that here as a human being like the part, I would like to go to that particular campaign. Nothing but whenever you are reaching to the stall, immediately in that stall you will be having the products will be there, and then along with that some Dell marketing executive people are also available in that stall. So that whenever if you reach to that particular campaign, then immediately one of the Dell customer representative, nothing but one of the Dell marketing people will start the conversation with you. So now he is going to be giving the information to you. Like here, so now he will give the information about our product. He will be giving the information about our organization. He will be giving the information about our new features in the products. He will be giving the information about the price of the product. He will be giving the information about the services what we are offering. He will be giving the information about the benefits what we are offering to our customers. So nothing but when coming to the marketing executive who is resides in that particular campaign, he will be giving the complete information. Nothing but here he would like to spread across this information to the various people so that if any of the person is interested, so that they can come to our organization so that they can purchase the product. So in order to generate the revenue. So now for that here we are going to be conducting the campaign. So now in that campaign, so many people are visiting the campaign every day. So now suppose for example, when you go to that particular campaign, so at that time what happened? They are going to be giving the complete information to you, and along with that they are going to be providing a small form to you. So now in that form they are asking you to fill your details. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Now, so now, suppose for example here, now whenever you are going to be purchasing a particular product, then you are going to that particular campaign. So nothing but here, when you go to that particular campaign, when you reach to that campaign or the stall, immediately one of the Dell marketing executive will start the conversation with you. He will be giving the complete information to you. After giving the information, he will provide a small form to you. Nothing but they will provide a small form to you to fill the form. So now here, whenever you are reaching to this particular campaign, so now here you will be getting nothing but once we reach to the stall, the marketing executive will start the conversation with us, and he will explain information of the organization, comma, new products, new features in the products, price of the product, comma, services and benefits. So now after giving that information, they will ask you to fill up the form. So now here in that form, what we need to fill up, we have to provide some basic details. Because here now they have identified that you are also one of the person who showed interested to buy our product. So now here just you have to provide your name, your mobile number and your email ID. Okay. And then if you want, you can provide your company name also, nothing but the purpose of the product and then address. So now so many fields will be available in that particular form, but generally we are going to filling up only 3 fields. One is our name, our mobile number, our email ID. So nothing but here what happened. So now whenever a person showed interest, nothing but the person showed interest, then those persons will be called as the leads. So nothing but here they have conducted the campaign. So nothing but when coming to the through the campaign, they are going to be promoting their products. So now every day, so many persons, so many people are visiting that particular campaign. So now, whenever the person is visiting to the campaign or whenever the person is reached to the campaign, then one of the Dell marketing executive will start the conversation. He will give the complete information and finally he will provide a form to you in order to fill up the form. In that form, we have to provide those details. Nothing but what they have identified, they have identified that we are also one of the persons who showed interested to buy the product. Now, when coming to the persons who are visited that particular campaign, those persons are called as leads. When coming to the lead, so who is a lead? When coming to the lead, lead is nothing but a person who showed interested to buy the product. Okay. So now here when coming to the lead, lead is nothing but a person who showed interested to buy the product. So now here when coming to the campaign. So now here when coming to the campaign, how many persons will be visited every day? Only one person or multiple persons?
Multiple.
Multiple persons. Nothing but here. So now by conducting the campaigns, what we are generating now?
Leads.
Lots of leads.
Leads. Nothing but here when coming to the campaign. Through the campaigns, we are generating the leads. So now when coming to the one campaign, through a campaign, how many leads we can able to generate? Only one or multiple?
Multiple.
Multiple. Nothing but multiple persons showed interested in our product. So that here a campaign can generate one or more leads. Okay, through the campaigns we are generating one or more leads. When coming to the lead, lead is nothing but a person who showed interested to buy our product. So nothing but this is also one of the person. But when coming to the lead, lead is not at our customer. Lead is different, customer is different. So now when coming to the lead, lead just showed interest. But when coming to the customer, customer is ready to buy my product. But when coming to the lead, lead just showed interest. Now, once you showed interest, then you may buy, he may not buy. There is no guarantee for the lead. So because here, when coming to the lead is having a plan, nothing but the person is having some plan in his mind that he want to purchase a similar kind of product. But he may purchase this product today, or he may purchase after 1 week, he may purchase after 1 month, he may purchase after 1 year also. Or sometimes he may not able to purchase because already he is having the similar kind of product, so that he is not able to purchase. Now here when coming to the lead is nothing but a person who showed interested to buy the product. But lead is not at our customer, because when coming to the lead may buy the product, he may not buy the product. There is no guarantee. So now when coming to the leads, so whatever the leads they have captured, okay, whatever the leads they have captured during this particular campaign, now this marketing people will forward this lead information, nothing but the leads information, to the sales department, nothing but the sales team. So now lead is not at our customer. Okay, lead is not our customer, because lead may buy the product or he may not buy the product. Okay, so now when coming to the lead is not at our customer. So now when coming to the marketing people, whatever the leads information they have captured, so now marketing people will forward all the leads information to the sales team or sales department. So now here, when coming to the each and every organization, we have the sales team or the sales department is available. So now when coming to the sales team, what the people will do, what these people will do, when coming to the sales team, they have one or more number of sales members. Okay, Like when coming to the sales department, they will be having a sales team. In that sales team, they will be having one or more number of sales members will be there. He may be a sales manager, he may be a sales team, he may be a sales head also, anybody. So now all these people will be available in the sales department. So now when coming to the sales people, now whatever the leads information they have captured from the marketing people, now the sales members or the sales team will contact the lead. So now how they will contact this lead information? Because whenever the lead has visited my campaign, we have provided a form to that particular person. That person has filled up the form. So now in that form, we have his details, his name, his contact number, his email ID is available here. So now the sales team will contact the lead. How they are contacting the lead? They are going to be contacting the lead over the phone, or they may contact the lead over by sending an email, or they are going to be meeting the person directly. Okay, they are going to be meeting the person directly here. So now here when coming to the sales team will contact the lead. Now they are contacting the lead over the phone or by sending an email or meeting the person directly. And then they will explain the information about our product, services, benefits, organization, and all. And after explaining this information, finally they will convince the lead. Okay. Finally, they are going to be convincing the lead to buy the product. So nothing but here, when coming to the sales team is going to be contacting the leads over the phone or by sending an email or meeting the person directly. Nothing but in person, they will meet that particular lead, and then they are going to be explaining about the information of our products, our services, our benefits, and our organization, and finally they are going to be convincing the lead to buy the product. Now once the lead is ready to buy the product, then from that particular point of time he will be our customer. Okay, so now once the lead is ready to buy the product, from that particular point of time he will be our customer. Nothing but he is not at our lead, he is our customer now, because the lead is different, customer is different. So now when coming to the lead just showed interest, but when coming to the customer is ready to buy my product. Nothing but he is ready to buy my product. So now in this kind of scenario, when coming to the lead is not at our customer, but when coming to the lead, we are going to be converting this lead as our customer. So now who are converting this lead as a customer? The sales team. The sales team is going to be contacting that particular lead over the phone or by sending an email or meeting the person directly, and they will explain about our products, our services, our organization, our benefits, our new features, and finally they will be convincing the lead to buy our product. Once the lead is ready to buy the product, then from that particular point of time he will be our customer. So now whenever you are going to be converting the lead as a customer, then 3 records will be get generated in our Salesforce application. Upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate 3 records. The first one is account record. So now whenever you are converting the lead as our customer, So now most of the people will be asking a question, what is this lead conversion process? So at that time you should be able to explain this process itself, because here we are going to be promoting our products. So now to promoting our products we are conducting some campaigns through the marketing process. So now when coming to the campaign, so many persons are visiting the campaign every day. Now the persons who are visited our campaigns are called as the persons who showed interested. So now the persons who showed interested in our product, those are called as lead. When coming to the lead, lead is nothing but a person who showed interested to buy our product. Once we have captured the leads information, then the marketing people will forward the leads information to the sales department, so that the sales member will contact the lead over the phone or by sending an email or by meeting the person directly, and then they will explain about our products, our features, our benefits, our services, and finally they will convince the lead to buy my product. Once the lead is ready to buy my product, then he will be our customer now. So nothing but here, whenever you are converting the lead as a customer, now we are going to be generating the three records. One is account, second one is contact, third one is opportunity. These are the three records will be get generated here. So now when coming to the interview point of view, they will raise what is this lead conversion process. At that time, you have to explain this entire process. This is very, very important. So now when coming to the account, so now whatever the lead information that we have, we are going to be converting this lead as a customer. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, three records will be get generated. First record is account, second record is contact, third record is opportunity. So now when coming to the account, what it contains the basic information of the customer. So now, so what is the information that we have? It will be having the name of the customer. It will be having the type of the customer. It will be having the rating what we are providing to the customer. It will be having the annual revenue of the customer. It will be having the billing address of the customer. It will be having the shipping address of the customer. It will be having the phone number of the customer. It will be having the website of the customer, and then it will be having the industry of the customer also. Like that here, we are going to be capturing the basic information of the customer, like the name of the customer, the type of the customer, rating, annual revenue, the billing address, shipping address, phone number, website, and the industry which he is associated, whether he belongs to the banking industry or the finance industry or the healthcare industry or what. So that each and every information we are going to be capturing in the account. Nothing but this is like as a customer basic information. Now, to contact this particular customer, whatever the contact details are required, those contact details we are going to be placing into the contact record. Now, when coming to this contact record, we are going to be capturing all the contact information. Contact information of the customer. Nothing but whatever the details are required. So nothing but what is his first name, the last name, his phone number, his mobile number, his home phone number, email ID, his fax number, his website, his mailing address, etc. Whatever the information is required in order to contact that particular customer, that entire contact information we are going to be storing into the contact record. And when coming to the opportunity record, in this opportunity record, we are going to be storing how much business we did with the customer. Nothing but here, now we are going to be capturing what are the products he has purchased. What is the quantity? Price of products and the total revenue, etc. So nothing but here we are going to be storing the how much business we did with the customer. Nothing but how many products he has purchased. Suppose he have purchased one laptop and one mobile. Laptop is some $2,000 and the mobile is some $400. Totally here we have generated $2,400 revenue from this particular customer. So now when coming to the opportunity record will be having what are the product the customer has purchased and then how many products he has purchased, what is the price of each and every product, totally how much revenue that we have generated from this particular customer, how much profit that we have generated from this customer, everything we are going to be storing into that opportunity record. Nothing but whenever we are going to be converting a lead as a customer, then three records will be get generated. One is account, second one is contact, third one is opportunity. Okay. These are the records will be get generated by this particular Salesforce. Clear? Any queries?
Yeah.
Anybody is having some questions?
What's the main difference between account and contact? Because they pretty much have the same info.
Now, when coming to the account, suppose for example here, I will tell you a small scenario. Suppose for example, we have the lead. Now assume that when coming to the lead may be a person, lead may be a business, lead may be an organization. Because we are providing some products like some laptops, desktops, mobiles, tabs, all these things. Now these products can be utilized by the individual persons or this can be utilized by the organizations also for their employees. Suppose for example here, assume that. So now when coming to the lead is a organization, nothing but some TCS, nothing but Tata Consultancy Services or whatever, or IBM. Now when coming to the our lead is our IBM. Nothing but IBM organization is showed interested to buy our product. So now in this kind of scenario, who will be the contact person in this particular organization? The founder of IBM?
You're right.
CEO.
Oh, that's different from actually the account.
Yes. So now when coming to the IBM is our account, nothing but he is our customer. So now here when coming to the IBM, so now IBM is nothing but an organization. So that here they are interested to buy our products because they are not manufacturing these products so that they have to purchase. Assume that when coming to the IBM is having some more than some 1 lakh plus employees are there. So now IBM is going to be recruiting some 20,000 employees. Assume that IBM is going to be recruiting 20,000 employees. For each and every employee, they have to provide either a laptop or a desktop. Any of the device they have to allocate. Desktop or laptop. So now when coming to the IBM is not manufacturing these products. So at that time, they have to purchase these products from any of the vendor. So now here, when coming to the Dell is going to be manufacturing these laptops and the desktop products. So now IBM is showed interested to buy the products, nothing but the laptops or desktops from the Dell organization. So now in this kind of scenario, IBM is one of the customer for the Dell organization. So now in this kind of scenario, in that IBM, so now who will be the contact person? Because here we have to contact that particular customer. To whom I need to contact? In IBM, we have more than 1 lakh employees are there. From those employees, which employee I have to contact? I need a contact person. So now in this kind of scenario, we have the account is there. Account is nothing but the basic customer, nothing but the customer who is interested in our product. And now when coming to the account, it will be having the name of that particular customer, type of the customer, rating of the customer, nothing but what will be the rating that we are giving for the customer, and then annual revenue of the customer, and the billing address, nothing but to where I have to send the bill and to where I have to deliver the products, so that one here shipping address is also required. the phone number, and the website. But here we don't have any email ID. Why? Because is when coming to the IBM, it is not having any specific email ID. So now, when coming to this particular organization, here it will be having so many departments are available. In IBM, we have the various departments will be there, like facility management department. When coming to the facility management department, they are going to providing the various resources to whom? To their employees. Whatever the resources are required, all these resources will be provided by this particular facility management team. After that, in that organization, they have the accounts team or the accounts department. Now, this accounts department has to approve that particular information. And then they will be having the finance team or the finance department. Now the finance department has to approve and release the budget. Then only we are going to be shipping those products to the respective shipping address specified by that particular customer. So that here, whenever we are going to be having a particular lead, the lead may be a person. If he is an individual person, we will be having the contact details, and when coming to the lead is a business or the organization. Nothing but lead may be an organization also, like some IBM. It may be a business also, like we have some various businesses are there, like some shopping malls. In the shopping mall also, they are using the laptops or desktops in order to generate the bill. And when coming to the hotels also, we are having these products. When coming to the restaurants also, we are having these products. Nothing but these are the businesses. These businesses also utilizing our products. So that here, when coming to the lead may be a person, or it may be a business, or it may be an organization. If he is a person, then directly we can contact that person. If it is a business or an organization, then we need multiple contacts. So that here we are going to be adding multiple contacts also. Nothing but for one account, we can have multiple contact information. So now in that contact, we will be having the complete information. So whom I need to contact, nothing but which person I need to contact from that particular organization, nothing but from that customer. Now what is the first name of that contact person? What is the last name of the contact person? What is the phone number of the contact person? What is the mobile number of the contact person? What is the home phone, email ID, fax number, website, mailing address, everything has to be get captured. So that here, when coming to the account is nothing but the customer details, and the contact is nothing but the contact information of that particular customer.
Mm.
Okay, clear?
Oh, clear.
Now, so now here, now tell me the relationship between these objects here. So now here we have discussed about campaign. Now through the campaigns, we are going to be generating some leads. Nothing but what happened here, when coming to the lead is associated with campaigns, right? Because here we are generating the leads by conducting the campaign. So now campaign and the lead both are associated, right? Now when coming to the leads, now we are going to be converting these leads as customers. So now when coming to the customers, now it will be having the account, it will be having the contact, it will be having the opportunity. Now what is the relation between these three here? Now we have the customer, nothing but account. So now here for this particular account, we have multiple contacts will be there. So nothing but one account can have multiple contacts. So that here this contact is associated with the account.
Okay.
Now, what about opportunity? So who has purchased these products? These products has been purchased by the various persons, nothing but the customer. So that here opportunity is associated with account. So now here when coming to the campaigns to lead, what is the relation that we have? Here we have one-to-many relationship, nothing but one campaign, many leads we have generated. And then Leads to customers. What is the relation here? One lead to one customer. And then here we have account to contact. One account will be there, multiple contacts are available. And then what about account to opportunity?
1:1.
1:1. Suppose, for example, the customer has purchased a product today. Now he has started utilizing that. Now he is very much impressed with my product. So now the features and the support and the services are very good. So that here he is very much satisfied with my product. Now he want to purchase one more. Then what happens? One more opportunity that I have received from the customers.
Same
Right?
account.
Yeah, today he has purchased one product. Tomorrow he may purchase one more. After 1 month he may purchase one more. Nothing but the same customer is there. We got multiple opportunities to generate the revenue from the same customer. So that here opportunities keep on I am going to be adding. So that one customer, multiple opportunities. Too many relationship that we have. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So now here we have discussed about this information. So now suppose for example here. So now when coming to the sales process, we have discussed about how to convert that lead as a customer, how to generate the revenue. And now when coming to the sales, whenever my customer is purchasing the product, we are offering the warranty period. Nothing but during the warranty period,
E-service.
we are giving free service. Okay. Now only during the warranty period we are giving the service, or after the warranty period also? After the warranty period also.
Only warranty.
Warranty period, after warranty period, we will provide chargeable service. Nothing but service will be lifelong. Nothing but not only for the warranty period, we are giving the service for the complete. Nothing but the lifelong also we will provide the service to our customer. Because he is our customer, we are the vendors to that particular customer. So that here, as a valuable customer of our organization, I want to make my customer happy. I want to make my customer satisfied always. If my customer is happy with my service, then only he will always stay with me, so that in future I can able to generate some more revenue from the same customer. Or he may refer somebody else to come to my organization, so that I will get some reference also through this particular customer. So now when coming to the each and every organization, sales is not important, support is very, very important. If you are giving a very good support, if you are maintaining the proper relationship with your customer, then only the customer will be always stay with you. Then only we can able to generate some more revenue from the customer, so that we can able to get more profit out of it. So for that, we have to provide the better services to our customer always. So now, when coming to the customer, whenever the customer is purchasing a product from our organization, at that time I am giving the warranty period. Now, during the warranty period, if the customer is facing any problem, then what happens here? Then what he will do? If the customer is facing any issue with my product, then what he will do?
Will contact.
He will raise the complaint. Okay, he will raise the complaint. This complaint is also called as a case. Okay, he will raise a complaint or case. Nothing but here he will make a call to my call center, that he will raise a complaint. Like here, this is a product that I have purchased from your organization, and this is the data purchase. This is the invoice number. Still, I am into the warranty period, but I am facing some problem with your laptop. Like when I press the power button, then my system is not rebooting. So please lodge a complaint on behalf of me. Or else, if we have any nearby a service center is available from that organization, we can able to go to that service center and then we can able to raise the complaint so that the service executive people, the service center people will resolve your issue. So that here we are going to be raising the cases. When coming to the cases, how can we define the case? When coming to the case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with my product. Okay, when coming to the cases, case is nothing but the detailed information. Okay, this is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with my product. So now simply if you are giving the information like laptop is not working, then how the customer people will get understand what is the problem exactly. So that here you have to give the complete information, detailed information you have to provide. Like so now here I have purchased the laptop. Now by using that power button, when you press the power button, system has to get reboot, but my system is not rebooting. So now so that please raise a complaint. So that here he is going to be resolving our issue. So now here, when coming to the case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with my product. So now here, when coming to the cases, once the case has been raised, then what the service center people will do, they are going to be providing the solution for our problem. Service center people will provide the resolution for the case. Okay, service center people will provide the resolution for the case. So now when coming to the resolution, so now this resolution is also called as solution. Okay, so now when coming to the solution, how can you define the solution? Solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. The detailed information of the resolution of the case. So now here the service center people are going to be providing the solution, nothing but they are providing the resolution of the case. So now here, who will be raising these cases here? What is the association of these cases with our customers? Now here we have this association. Now he is going to be raising these cases. Who will raise this case?
The customer raises a case.
Customer will raise the case, nothing but the account. So now here, when coming to the account, they are going to be raising the cases. Now how many cases a customer can raise?
Multiple.
Multiple, nothing but one customer can raise multiple cases. Because today he is facing one problem, tomorrow he may face some more problem, day after tomorrow he may face some more problem also. So that here, when coming to the account, now nothing but the customer, one customer can raise multiple cases also. And next, what about the case? Case to solution. What is the relation here?
1:1.
Will be
One case, one solution.
One case, one solution. Suppose for example, what are the solution that I have provided for that case? The solution is not working. Then what we can do?
1:many.
1:.
Will be alternate solution, yeah.
Yes. One case, many solutions will be there. So nothing but here when coming to the objects, like campaign is nothing but an object in Salesforce. Lead is nothing but an object in Salesforce. And then account is nothing but an object in Salesforce. Opportunity is nothing but an object in Salesforce. Case is nothing but an object. Solution is nothing but an object. So nothing but whatever the terminology that we have discussed as of now, is each and every terminology is nothing but an object. Campaign is an object. Lead is an object. Customer is an object. Sorry, the contact is an object. Account is an object. Opportunity is an object. Case is an object, solution is an object. Nothing but all are objects which are having some association with each other. So now here, when coming to the each and every organization, you will be having these three processes. One is marketing process, second one is sales process, third one is support process. Now in each and every process, this is the process, nothing but this is the information is going on here. Okay, clear? So this is the terminology
Yeah.
of the CRM, customer relationship management. Clear as of
Yeah.
now?
Yeah. Clear.
So now tomorrow we are going to be discussing about what is this sales cloud, what is this service cloud. When coming to the entry point of view, definitely they will raise a question, what is sales cloud? What are the objects will be comes under the sales cloud? What is service cloud? What are the objects will be comes under the service cloud? Okay, this is very common question in the interview point of view. So that here we are going to be discussing about this sales cloud, service cloud, post.com, database.com, data.com, collaboration cloud in tomorrow's class. So now what is this sales cloud? What are the features provided by the Salesforce in terms of sales cloud? We will see practically. And what is service cloud? What is post.com? And each and every cloud we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
In tomorrow's sessions, we will discuss about these six clouds offered by the Salesforce for their customers. Okay.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. So, thank you. Thank you, Furo.
Yeah, thank you.
About the recording, what we did today. So,
Yeah.
Lakshman is going to forward that information to our emails.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Great session. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Madhavi, are you on the call? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, are you on the call?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, are you able to hear my voice? Any questions as of
Yes,
now?
yes.
Any questions? Srinivas?
No, sir. No.
Yeah, Srinivas? Yeah, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So
Uh,
tomorrow, yeah, tell me.
Can you told that recording section,
Sorry?
you are sending any recording section?
Yeah, today I will record this session and then I am going to be sending these recording sessions to you, both of you also, so that you can go through
Okay.
this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.